Jai Hind everyone. The topic for my today's lecture it is cyclones. I'll be telling about cyclones in three parts. First, what cyclone. Second, the parts or we can say the types of cyclone. Third, the conclusion of cyclone and how the cyclone management can be developed in India. So the cyclones are the bodies, a natural disaster which occurs when a center is surrounded between a center of low pressure is surrounded between high pressure. Like there is center of high pressure which is surrounded between low pressure which is surrounded by high pressure, which leads to the development of cyclone. As we know that wind blows from high pressure to low pressure, so this occurs the most destructive natural disaster, which is the cyclone. The cyclones are of two types: first temperate, second tropical. So temperate cyclones are the ones which are very destructive, which are found in between 30 to 60 degree north and 30 to 60 degree south. These are not only the most destructive one, but these are also very big and large in scale. These occurs not only in the south, not only in the oceans but also land. So how the cyclone all works. So if a low pressure area is created and surrounded by the high pressure, the we know that the hot air is at hot air sinks, oh sorry, the cold air sinks and hot air rises. So the air rises and controls, and the whole movement starts on, and overall that makes a whole circle type, and that makes a whole cycle which makes cyclone. So this was all about the temperate cyclone. Then the tropical cyclone, which is not as destructive as the temperate, but it is also destructive. The temperate cyclone blows between 0 to 30 degree and 0 to 30 degree north and 0 to 30 degree south. This happens because as we know that in 0 to 8 degree north and south there is no Coriolis force. The major reason of the cyclone formation is the Coriolis force. The Coriolis force is not there. As we can see, there is a pressure of high pressure. No, sorry, the low pressure is there. We can see the equatorial low pressure belt is there. So that's why the cyclones are not prepared, or we can say the cyclones are not seen there. In the conclusion, how we can say manage the cyclone areas. The country, like in India, the cyclones are only seen in the southern part. We cannot see the cyclones in the land part because there is only the tropical cyclone. Tropical cyclone are only there in the oceans, not only the oceans, but also seas. So that's why we can see those cyclones in the major parts of India, like Bengal and Kerala.